Hello, beautiful people. I wanted to just jump on here real quick just to invite you guys. We are starting our recipe to product masterclass, our second session. Class is in session as of November 5th. So we're doing our free workshop, our last free workshop this Sunday, which I'm going to have our guest will be a food scientist, Dr. Jennifer. She is an amazing, experienced scientist, food scientist, who will be speaking for this workshop this Sunday. So if you haven't already joined our list, make sure to do that. The link is in my bio. But I really just want to encourage anyone who has any drawback. This is the last quarter of 2022. And if you know you're going to have your food product on your vision board come January 1st, why not already have your product already ready to go by January 5th? We will be completing our class. It is 3 months, so it starts November 5th to January 5th. And we're going to make sure that you have your products on hand by January 5th if you do your part and, stay connected, stay on track, make sure that as we hold you accountable, you hold yourself accountable as well. So make sure that you sign up, go to Recipe to Product or the link in my bio and sign up for that class, sign up for the workshop. Those are two completely different things, different links that you can sign up on. You can sign up for the workshop this Sunday, or you can sign up and register and enroll in the class. And we will be rolling out November 5th. So no more procrastination. Let's get your product ready for next year. I am super excited for the group of people that have already joined. And I am excited to see what all the products that we come up with. Our last class, one of my favorite products that came out of it was a Mexican soup. This Mexican Latino gourmet soup that I had never heard of, but it was just so interesting to see my student come with just the idea, and for her to go through that process and actually come out with her product has been amazing. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Recipe to product, okay? Let's get you packaged. Let's get you ready. Let's get your recipe to product, recipe to package it, ready it for the store shelves, for whatever online marketplace that you want to use, and let's just get you ready. All right?